In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Devin AI account so that you can sign up and get access for when it's available. Now, the first thing you must do is actually head over to Google, and from there we can just type in Devin AI. From there we can go ahead and click enter, and we'll be able to see a few different options. However, we want to go down to this one which says devin.ai. So we can click on this to open the website, and from there we can either click request access down here to find this pop-up, or we can give Devin a task to work on, and when we click enter in that box, it also gives this pop-up. So by requesting access, you're basically requesting to create an account. So what you want to do is first put in the email address which you want to use for this account. You can then say what you want to use Devin for, and from there you want to share a little bit more about yourself. So if you've got a public profile on Twitter or LinkedIn, something like that, you can put that in that box here, and you can click request access. From there, you should get an email back saying whether you got approved or denied. And if your account did get approved, you can go to login down here and you can sign in with your account details. So that's how you can create a Devin AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.